Hi, my name is Lexi Baker and I'm a paralegal at Hawks Quam. This video is for all of the paralegal volunteers planning to attend the upcoming AFCC Mediation Day scheduled on Friday, February 13th in Utah County. As most of you know, the primary goal for Mediation Day is 1, to settle the case, and 2, for the parties to be able to leave that same day with signed orders in hand. So there will be a judge there on Friday and on call all throughout the day, ready to sign documents as they are submitted throughout the day to make that possible. Also, most of you have been assigned to the same case as the attorney that you regularly work with. So our role as paralegals will be very similar to what we do each day anyways, which in this case is just to assist in preparing and finalizing all of the required documents for the case that you've been assigned to. We do suggest that you pull the court docket prior to mediation just to get a quick inventory of what's been filed and what's missing. Most of the cases assigned for mediation day do involve minor children. So if your case does, just make sure that both parties have taken the required education courses and that the certificates have been submitted. And then just make a quick note of the other documents that you'll need to draft and have filed the day of mediation, such as the non-public information form, etc. Also, if your attorney is planning to reach out to the party that they were assigned to prior to mediation, that would be the perfect time for them to inform them of the required education courses so that they can take that between now and mediation day, or if they've taken the courses and just haven't submitted the certificates, just to remind them to bring those so that we can submit those on Friday. Also on the day of mediation, we just ask that either you, the attorney, or someone else on the case draft the agreement rather than planning to read it onto the court record. That will just make it significantly easier for when it comes time to drafting the remaining final documents on the case if a settlement is reached. And then lastly, when finalizing a case, whether or not a settlement has been reached, please just be sure to follow the instruction card, which will be provided to you prior to mediation and likely available the day of mediation as well. You probably won't be able to read this copy, but it's just a instruction card that gives you all the information you'll need, whether a full settlement is reached, a partial settlement, or no settlement at all. It walks you through step-by-step of what you need to do. It also includes the clerk's names and email addresses where you can email documents if you need them printed or uploaded into the court system. Pretty much anything that you'll need can be found here on this form. And if you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to Clay specifically, as he will have all of the answers you may need. Thank you so much.